Today, we're discussing something that might sound a bit boring, but is super important for anyone trucking through New York State. We're talking about the NYHUT yearly permit. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, what is this NYHUT thing? Well, it stands for New York Highway Use Tax, and it's something commercial truck owners need to know about. If you're driving a truck over a certain weight on public highways in New York, you're going to need this permit. Think of it like your annual membership fee to the New York Highway Gym, except instead of pumping iron, you're rolling rubber. Now, why is this permit a big deal? It helps maintain those roads you're cruising on. Without it, the state can't keep them in shape, making it tough for you and your business. Plus, let's be real, nobody wants legal trouble, right? This little permit keeps you in the safe zone. Many drivers don't realize the NYHUT helps the state track road wear from heavy trucks, which means enforcement is strict. Officers can quickly spot who's compliant, so keeping your permit updated isn't optional. It's a smart way to stay off the radar and out of trouble. Here's the kicker, though. The process isn't a walk in the park. There's paperwork, regulations, and some nitty-gritty details that can make your head spin. But don't worry, you don't have to do it alone. Moving Authority is here to make your life easier. We're like your GPS for paperwork, pointing you in the right direction and avoiding any wrong turns. Now let's talk timing. The permit needs renewing every year, and missing that date can get you into hot water with fines and penalties. It's like forgetting your anniversary. Not good. Mark those calendars. Set alarms, whatever it takes to keep on top of this one. Here's a quick tip. If the thought of handling this yourself is stress-inducing, reach out to us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. We're all about making complex tasks simple so you can focus on your business and keep those wheels turning. So remember, folks, keeping your NYHUT up to date isn't just about staying on the right side of the law. It's about ensuring your business runs smoothly. We've got your back here at Moving Authority, because when you succeed, we succeed. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you've got questions or need a helping hand, drop a comment below or check out movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. And hey, while you're here, why not hit that subscribe button? We've got more tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and take care.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.